Have you ever wondered what your life would be like if you had made different choices? What if you had taken that job offer, moved to another country, or simply decided to turn left instead of right? According to some scientists, those alternate versions of your life might actually exist in parallel universes. But could we ever visit them? The concept of parallel universes isn't just science fiction anymore. It all starts with inflation theory, our best explanation for how the universe began. In those first mind-bogglingly brief moments after the Big Bang, our universe underwent a period of incredible expansion. But here's where it gets interesting. This process might have created not just our universe, but countless others, each with its own unique laws of physics and arrangements of matter. Think of it like cosmic bubble bath, where each bubble is a universe. These universes might be expanding right now, growing ever larger and moving away from each other faster than the speed of light. That's our first challenge. These universes are literally unreachable through conventional travel. Even if we could somehow travel at light speed, we'd never catch up to them. But there's another type of parallel universe that's even stranger. It comes from quantum mechanics, specifically the many worlds interpretation. Every time a quantum event occurs, like an atom deciding to decay or not decay, the universe splits into multiple versions. In one universe, the atom decayed. In another, it didn't. This happens countless times every second, creating an infinite branching tree of alternate realities. So, how could we possibly visit these other universes? This is where time machines enter the picture. Theoretical physicists suggest that if we could build a time machine, perhaps using exotic matter to create a wormhole, we might be able to access these parallel universes. But there's a catch, and it's a big one. Time travel creates paradoxes. The famous grandfather paradox asks, what happens if you go back in time and prevent your grandparents from meeting? You would never be born, which means you couldn't go back in time in the first place. It's a logical loop that seems impossible to resolve. Or is it? This is where parallel universes offer a solution. When you travel back in time, you might actually be entering a parallel universe, one where your actions don't affect your original timeline. You could change things in this new universe without creating paradoxes in your own. It's like having an infinite number of drafts of history, each one slightly different from the others. But here's where our current understanding hits a wall. When scientists try to model how this would work using quantum mechanics, things get messy. Quantum fields become unstable around time machines, and we'd have to give up some fundamental principles of physics to make it work. Nobody's ready to do that, at least not yet. The challenge isn't just theoretical. Building a time machine would require exotic matter with negative energy density, something we've never observed in nature. We'd need to manipulate space-time itself, creating stable wormholes that could withstand the immense forces trying to collapse them. But imagine if we could do it. In one universe, dinosaurs might never have gone extinct. In another, humans might have developed advanced space travel centuries ago. The possibilities are literally infinite. Each universe would represent a different path through the decision tree of cosmic history. While we can't currently travel to parallel universes, scientists haven't given up. New theories in quantum gravity and string theory might eventually provide answers. Some researchers even suggest that quantum computers could one day simulate these parallel universes, giving us a window into what might have been. For now, parallel universes remain tantalizingly out of reach, but they remind us that reality might be far stranger and more magnificent than we imagine. Our universe might be just one note in an infinite cosmic symphony, playing out across dimensions we're only beginning to understand. Maybe somewhere out there in another universe, we've already figured out how to bridge these cosmic gaps. Until we join them in that knowledge, we'll keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible in this universe, our current home in the vast, mysterious multiverse. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, please consider to like and subscribe.